आलमगीर के ज़माने में वो जब भी रूप कपड़े बदल के आता ना बादशाह के पास तो बादशाह उसको पहचान जाता।
Indeed, there are changes, and they relate to a tale that at the time of Aurangzeb, there was a person who used to disguise himself, and he had many disguises. And each time he came to the king would recognize him.
उस बादशाह ने कहा उसको, अगर तू मुझे धोखा दे दे तो जो तू मांगे मैं तुझे इनाम दूंगा।
And then the king said to this person that if you would actually manage to deceive me with one of your disguises, then I would give you any reward that you would ask of.
उसने क्या किया, वो एक पहाड़ी पे चला गया, वहाँ उसने जाके अल्लाह अल्लाह करना शुरू कर दी।
And what this person then did, he went to some mountain and then he started to do Allah Allah on the mountain.
2-3 साल गुजर गए और बस्ती के लोग उसको खाना वाना देते रहे, लेकिन कोई दाढ़ी वाड़ी मूछें सब छोड़ दी उसने।
And then he did this for 2 or 3 years, and the local people then gave him the food and other things, but he then stopped shaving and he grew his beard and moustache.
और बस्ती में मशहूर हो गया ये कि अल्लाह का दोस्त है, किसी से मांगता नहीं है, कुछ इसको लालच नहीं है।
Then he became famous in the local community that there's a friend of God here and he has no incentive and he's not greedy and he doesn't ask anybody of anything.
वो वहाँ से खबर शहर में पहुँची, शहर से उस बादशाह औरंगजेब तक पहुँची खबर।
The news then travelled to the city, and from the city the news travelled to the king Aurangzeb.
लोग उसको देखने के लिए आते, वो अपनी बेख्याली में जब लोग आते ना तो बड़ा सजदा कर लेता।
And then people would come to see this holy man, and then when they would come to see him, he would be unaware of them, but at the same time he'd go into prostration.
और किसी से बात भी न करता।
And he wouldn't talk to anybody at the same time.
तो ये खबर बादशाह तक पहुंची कि बहुत बड़ा वली है जो पहाड़ पे बैठा हुआ है, वो भी उसको देखने के लिए आया।
This news then reached the king Aurangzeb that there is a mighty man of God, some saint in the mountain, and then he actually travelled to see the holy man as well.
वो वलियों से मोहब्बत करने वाला था, वो भी अपने लश्कर के साथ सामने उसके पहुंच गया।
Because the king was the one who loved the saints, loved the friends of God, and he got his army and then actually went to see this holy man.
जब उसने देखा औरंगजेब आ रहा है, पहचान गया, तो उसने लंबा सजदा कर दिया।
So when the holy man actually saw that the king was coming towards him, he recognized him as the king, and then he bowed down in prostration, and it was a long prostration. He didn't raise his head.
इतने में बादशाह भी खड़ा हो गया, साथ उसके जो वजीर थे वो भी हाथ बांध के खड़े हो गए।
And then a few moments later, the king then stood next to this holy man, and his ambassadors and ministers also stood next to him, and they were standing in respect.
उसने सर ऊपर उठाया तो बादशाह ने हाथ बांधे।
And then the holy man raised his head, and then the king actually held his hand together in respect.
उस वक्त उस आदमी ने कहा, बादशाह सलामत, आप तो नहीं पहचाना।
And then at that point, the man said to the king that, "O king, you failed to recognize me."
उसने कहा, तू वही बहरूपी है? उसने, हाँ मैं वही बहरूपी हूँ, अब जो मांगना है मांग, मैं तुझे इनाम दूँ।
So then the king said to that person, "Are you that same person that used to come to me in disguises?" He said, "Yes," because he failed to recognize him. And then he said, "Right, you are now entitled to your reward. Ask of anything."
उसने कहा, मैं तुझसे क्या मांगू, मैंने झूठी इबादत करी, झूठी अल्लाह अल्लाह करी, उसका सिला ये मिला कि तू मेरे कदमों में, अब मैं जरा सच्ची करके देखूं। ये कहा और जंगल में चला गया।
Then that holy man said to the king Aurangzeb that, "I have seen that I prayed to God, I did this worship, but not truthfully, not with sincere intention. It was all false. And the reward of that I have seen that because of that false worship, I actually discovered that you came to my feet. You came to see me because you thought I was such a man of God. Now I will try to see what the reward will be of truthful worship." So he then left for the jungle.
जंगलों में गया तो बहुत बड़ा सेंट बन गया।
So then he went to the jungles, and then some time later he became a very big saint and a man of God.
जो लोग अल्लाह अल्लाह करते हैं ना, तब्दीली जरूर हो जाती है।
So when people start to do Allah Allah, surely there is a change.
ऐसा होता है, कोई अल्लाह अल्लाह कर रहे हैं तो ऊपर से कुछ फरिश्ते आते हैं जो इस दुनिया में घूमते हैं।
And in some cases, people do Allah Allah, and at that time there are angels who roam around in the world, and then they come down upon that person.
तो जहाँ अल्लाह अल्लाह हो रही है तो वहाँ भी वो भी पहुँच जाते हैं ना।
Where in a community or in a gathering, the name Allah is being chanted, those then come upon that community or gathering.
और तुम एक दिन देख लोगे जब अल्लाह अल्लाह बैठोगे तो तुम्हें अल्लाह अल्लाह की बहुत सी आवाज़ें वहाँ से आएंगी, इतने बंदे लोग नहीं बैठे होंगे।
And then one day you will actually hear and notice that there may be only a few you're sitting doing Allah Allah, but you'll hear many many voices, and then you'll say there are not many people here, but where are all these voices coming from?
फिर वो फरिश्ते जब ऊपर जाते हैं फिर अल्लाह उनसे पूछता है कि तुमने क्या देखा। वो कहते हैं, अल्लाह कुछ बंदे थे जो बैठे अल्लाह अल्लाह कर रहे थे।
Then the angels return up, and then God asks them, "Oh angels, what did you see?" And the angels reply, "Oh God, we saw some people were sitting and chanting your name, Allah Allah."
फिर अल्लाह कहता, कुआर है ना, मैंने उनको बख्श दिया।
Then God says to the angels that you bear witness that I have forgiven them.
वो कहते हैं एक आदमी कोने पे खड़ा सुन रहा था, उसको भी बख्श दिया।
Then the angels say, oh God, there was one person in that gathering who was standing at one corner only listening. And God says, I've forgiven him also.
बहुत से लोग इस चीज से बख्शे भी जाते हैं ना,
Because many people achieve salvation and forgiveness in this way.
इसलिए वो लोग इकट्ठे होकर बैठ के अल्लाह अल्लाह करते हैं।
This is why people get together in a gathering and then say Allah, Allah.
और एक और वाक्य, एक लड़का था एक मोहल्ले में, उसने लड़की देखी ना, उसको चक्कर लगाना शुरू कर दिया।
There is another tale that we'll relate to you, that there was a boy and he saw a girl in this village and he started to walk around that place.
तो लड़की समझ गई, तो उसने कहा बात ये है, तो तू यहाँ क्यों घूमता? उसने कहा मैं तुझे चाहता हूँ।
The girl understood this and she said, why do you come to this place often? And the boy said, because I desire you.
उसने कहा मैं इस तरह तुझे मिल नहीं सकती, एक तरीका है, तू मस्जिद में बैठ के अल्लाह अल्लाह करना शुरू कर दा, तो मैं घर वालों को कहूँगी कि अल्लाह वाला, तो मैं तुझे रोटी देने आ जाया करूँगी या किसी बहाने मिलने आ जाया
And
करूँगी।
she said, there is one way that this could be achieved, that we could meet, that you go into the mosque and start to pray. And then I will tell my family that there's a holy man in the mosque and a man of God, and I must go to him to take some bread to him.
हाँ, तो स्टार्ट अल्लाह अल्लाह, प्रे नहीं, स्टार्ट अल्लाह अल्लाह।
And she said to him that go to the mosque and say Allah, Allah,
Allah,
chant the
Allah.
name.
हाँ, तो उसने अल्लाह अल्लाह करना शुरू किया, उसकी मस्ती में झूमना शुरू हो गया ना।
And then the boy actually went to the mosque and started to do Allah, Allah. And he became intoxicated and started to enjoy it and feel the pleasure of chanting.
वो मस्जिद वाले उसको खाना वाना दे देते, कोई अल्लाह अल्लाह कर रहा है।
And the people of the mosque used to give him some food because they said, is somebody doing Allah, Allah.
कोई 15 दिन के बाद उस लड़की को याद आया कि चलो जाकर देखते हैं ना वो क्या कर रहा है भला।
And after about 15 days, the girl remembered that I said this thing to this boy and he was in the mosque. Let's go and see what he's doing.
जब वो गई तो वो देखे अल्लाह अल्लाह में वो झूम रहा था।
And then when she went to the mosque, she saw that he was actually intoxicated and saying Allah, Allah.
हाँ, उसने फिर उसको हलाया, पहले आवाज दी, वो नहीं बोला, फिर उसको हलाया, फिर उसने ऊपर उठ के देखा, पूछा तू कौन है?
And then what she did, she first called him, but he didn't hear nothing. Then she actually shook him. And then he raised his head and looked at the girl and he said, who are you?
मैं वही हूँ जिसने तुझको यहाँ अल्लाह में लगाया।
This girl. And then she said, I am that girl that asked you to do this Allah, Allah.
उसने कहा अब तू जा अपना काम कर दे, अब मुझे अल्लाह करने दे।
And then the boy said to the girl, that now you go and do your business. Just let me do Allah, Allah.
बहुत लोग ऐसी झूठी भी अल्लाह करते हैं ना, तो उनमें अल्लाह अंदर चला जाता है।
At some occasions, some people do Allah, Allah without sincerity and without truth. But even it still affects them and it goes inside them.